Hey everyone, this is Jean, and you're watching a little daily indie game dev on Friday the 17th of July 2026. And this is my minimalist mode where I'm too tired, but I have to do something. And so what I've been doing is adding these. These are little ripples. They're 32 by 32 pixels, and they look a little something like this. So minimalist mode means you're too tired, you really don't want to do anything, but you put yourself in your chair and you're like, okay, something, anything, and that is where we're at. So we're going to give this a little tag, and I'll tell you about my day. Basically me putting together a file in Sprite that I can modify later. Make sure it lines up. Yes, it does. So my day, went to the office. It was very hot today in Manila. Very, very hot. Sat at the office for a couple of hours, worked on my notes, and I came home, watched a few videos from other indie game devs. Some very nice videos, by the way, like really nice, just like very chatty, nice, like fun animations thrown in. Not what I do here, which is just talking to the camera. But a lot of them were kind of overviews of what they've been up to in months. That's not what I'm doing. I'm doing every single day. But they did go over these troubles they got themselves into over many months, where they then had to let go and start over, or soft reboots as they call them. And it kind of got me thinking, because one thing that is prevalent in a lot of indie game dev videos is that everyone always starts out with wanting to make an open world RPG. I thought I had my scope creep in check when I think about how much time I've spent in the last 2 weeks on getting some branching dialogue and the data entry and the writing and the going back and forth and testing and looking for dead ends and constantly finding them. I'm thinking that I have, in some small part, because it's still a 16-bit game, but I'm falling into this trap of, well, it's not an RPG and it's not open world, but I'm adding this branching dialogue, and it's so time consuming to make that I feel like I really need to take a step back and just maybe cut that to the bare minimum and save that either for a sequel or a next iteration, or just afterwards, just not at the end, but first we want to get a game up and running, a little adventure game. It doesn't need a lot of dialogue. If we can do that, once that is all in place and you can play it, then I think we might want to spend some time just writing all that dialogue that I'm passionate about. Like, I really want to do that, right? But I think for now, as I'm sitting here too tired to even write, and just grabbing something from an asset pack that I'm interested in using and just putting it together in a way that I can modify it and then drop it in later, I think I might be onto something for the next week. Let's see how we can scale this back and just say we had fun with this, we tried it, this might be something, but not for this version, and then see what the next big thing is that we can tackle that will take it forward, that will have the game as a playable demo quicker into your hands. So what do you think? I think this is a good plan. At the end of the week, when it's time to, and I don't have much to show. The one with the mistake, this one. See that movement? That's actually a mistake. That's not supposed to be. And funny how that really looks better